Introduction of Motor Driver Evaluation Kit, Closed Loop System. Equipped with Toshiba motor driver, operational amplifier, and MOSFET. Closed loop system is easy to connect, and does not require programming knowledge. After setting up the board and motor, the evaluation of motor driver can be conducted easily. By using the commercially available Aruduino microcomputer board. First, download the Aruduino IDE to a PC. Install Sketch on the Aruduino microcomputer board. Ready. In addition, if you use a commercially available LCD shield, motor target rotational speed and actual rotational speed will be displayed. Let's change the parameter of motor rotation control from the Aruduino IDE serial monitor. Conventionally, expert knowledge, including the knowledge of parts replacement on the board, was necessary, but now you can easily set parameters by writing the values to Sketch. Please try Toshiba Motor Driver Evaluation Kit.